Welcome to RANsquawk's morning briefing for Friday, 26th of March 2010. The major overwhelming story this morning has been the eventual framework has been outlined. It seems as though Germany and France have managed to work out an agreement as to the EU, the IMF and Greece. In terms of the actual situation, it seems as though bilateral loans will be the way forward in terms of any support. But that support will only be put in place if Greece should so need it. At the moment, that doesn't seem to be the case. The Greek PM pretty optimistic with latest austerity measures which have been outlined. In terms of the actual support itself, it's to come 2/3 from the EU and also 1/3 from the IMF. So the IMF will be taking part in more than just an advisory capacity. In terms of Trichet himself, obviously he was pretty downbeat and against any IMF participation, but given the latest developments that have happened late yesterday evening, he has said he is content with the framework which has now been outlined. In terms of the reaction overnight in Asia, equities did move higher, both the Shanghai Composite and Nikkei in positive territory. Nikkei finished up around 1.6%. And in terms of Europe, having seen the majority of these comments late in the session yesterday, equities are down just marginally around 0.2, but financials on a sector basis are one of the better performers. Elsewhere as well, in terms of the euro and the currencies, euro-dollar, that's up around 100 pips as well this morning. Euro trading stronger in the crosses. And in terms of the 10-year Greek bund spread, that has continued to tighten. It's tightened by around 12 to 13 basis points. Now down to around the 300 level, has briefly gone under that earlier this morning. In terms of other things then, we're looking forward to for today will be the final GDP reading. Analysts expecting to be unrevised at 5.9% from the US, and then later on we'll look to the Michigan report for the US session.